Hi everyone, warmly welcome to the Shakmak English Love channel, a wonderful place for improving your knowledge through English.
I'm Nhi. Today we'll discover interesting mysteries about the North Star. Every time we glance up at the night sky, we are captivated by the beauty of hundreds of glittering stars. Together, those stars make stunning scenery with magical and brilliant light. And if you are an astronomy enthusiast, you are no stranger to constellations. Today, let's learn about Polaris, the North Star with Shakmak English Love, a group of stars with unique features that cause many amusing misunderstandings.
1. Is the North Star a list of stars or a constellation? Many people often falsely believe that Polaris is a constellation. Still, it's actually a group of stars that includes the 7 brightest stars in the constellation known as Ursa Major. To explain the name Polaris, this star luster in the Chinese constellation system is shaped like a butcher and is located in the north. Hence, its name 7 stars of the Northern Dipper. The North Star is known as the Geico star in Vietnam because it resembles a farmer bucket. In short, the Big Dipper is a collection of stars rather than the whole constellation.
2. Will the North Star position change? Because of its unique position, Polaris is frequently referred to as the North Star. This collection of stars is always stationary and right, with a particular observing orientation, even though the Earth's rotation varies changes continuously. The Earth is spherical and rotates on the inclined axis. Besides, it revolves around its orbit. Nonetheless, when in the northern hemisphere and closer to the North Pole, the North Star groups are always with clear presence. However, in about the next 30,000 years, this cluster of stars will more likely be replaced by a new group of stars. In the past, the Earth's axis underwent a motion known as precession, which means it gradually tilted to run a cone, similar to a chariot going to fall. When this occurs, the North Star by position from Earth will deviate, causing it to no longer be stationary in one place in the northern hemisphere's night sky. A new North Star will be born at that moment. 3. What makes the North Star distinctive? As Shakmak English Love mentionable, Polaris is special due to its fixed and distinctive position in the sky. Furthermore, prior to the development of science as it is now, the North Star was widely applied in daily life. Astrologers frequently use the North Star cluster to indicate directions, foretell fortunate omens, and even anticipate weather and seasons for each region. Polaris is associated with the spiritual life of the Vietnamese people and is believed and venerated as a god by the people. Or, in addition to the Jade Emperor, we frequently see the Big Dipper, who always leads people to take the right path in life. The above are some intriguing information about the North Star that Shakmak English Love would like to share with everyone. What are your impressions of this star luster? Please let us know in the comments.
Thank you very much for watching. Have a productive and enjoyable week of learning and working.